Google AI Studio can create simulated iPhone interfaces, develop small games, and even create a simulated solar system for educational animations. In today's video, we'll guide you through getting started with Google AI Studio from scratch. It is an official prototyping platform provided by Google for users. Not only is its interface simple and clean, but most importantly, it currently offers a very generous free quota. First, open your browser and visit studiogoogle.com. Click on Get Started and log in directly using your Google account. Let's first take a look at the home interface. The current layout is very clear, and it is mainly divided into 3 core entry points. The first is the Vibe Code Gemini apps on the left. This is the brand new build mode, used for generating applications. The second option is Chat with Models, which is our familiar playground. Here, you can use various Google models. The third one is Monitor Usage on the right, which allows you to check your API usage. The third one is Monitor Usage on the right. It allows you to check your API usage. Many of the services used here are free. In addition, there is a quick access point for the latest models below. For example, the current hit model Gemini 3, as well as the Nano Banana Pro, which is specifically designed for image processing. In this video, we will run all of these through. Click on the chat in the middle, and we will enter the playground interface. Here, the models are categorized by type. We will explain each model step by step later. Here, we select the model Gemini 3 Pro Preview. You will notice that an additional thinking level option has been added. By default, it is set to high, which indicates that it will conduct in-depth reasoning when answering complex questions. The context window of Gemini 3 Pro is very large. We can simply upload a PDF technical document of several dozen pages directly. No complex operations are required. Just ask it, summarize the core content. Look, not only is it very fast in reading, but the generated summary is also very logically clear. In addition, video content analysis is Gemini's forte. It is particularly useful when we don't have time to watch the videos. Here, I'm providing it with a YouTube video link, and I'm asking it to summarize the video content and provide the timestamps. It not only understands the video, but also does so with extreme precision down to the second, telling you exactly what was covered at the nth minute and the nth second. This is truly a godsend for making video notes. Here comes the main event. Click on Build on the left. Just describe your ideas and the AI will handle writing the code and running it live. Let's try playing a game input. Help me write a vertical scrolling aircraft shooting game. Pay attention to the right side. As soon as the code is generated, the game window pops up directly. You can control the plane with the keyboard and fire bullets. This is called What You Think Is What You Get. I constructed a solar system simulation system with just one sentence. You can see that the Earth is orbiting around the Sun, and all the parameters are automatically calculated by the AI. We can even click on any planet to view its introduction, and we can also ask questions about this planet based on the AI. Even we can do prototype design input, create a mock interface for iPhone 16. Look, it has used code to draw the phone's frame, the dynamic island, and even the arrangement of app icons is simulated in a realistic way. The workflow of front-end developers has completely changed. In addition to text and code, Google also released Nano Banana, which is a model specifically designed for image generation and editing. The Nano Banana Pro as an upgraded version has performed even better in terms of multi-language text rendering, enabling more efficient creation of high-definition posters, etc. However, in Google AI Studio, it requires an additional fee for usage. Therefore, for now, we will use Nano Banana for testing as it is free. Its feature is precise control. For example, when I upload this photo and tell it, change the background to a beach, the modified effect is very good. This is very practical for students who do e-commerce graphics or design. For the review of the Nano Banana Pro, you can watch this video of mine. In this video, I talked about its various functions and the problems that occurred. In addition, Google AI Studio also has models for video and text-to-speech conversion. I will specifically create videos to compare them with other models. If you have any more questions you'd like to know, please leave a comment in the comment section.